Hey everybody, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. If you could please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It helps my channel out. Today I have for you a Dollar Tree haul. I'm actually combining it with my Coach Purse giveaway. I give a Coach Purse away every 100 subscribers. I get the purse from ThredUp, a secondhand store that has name brand items. It is an authentic Coach purse. So my haul today is all about the things that you would want to have in your handbag. I went ahead and purchased 20 things that I would put in my handbag. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, I've got my daughter Elizabeth helping me today. Can you say hi to everybody?
Hi guys.
I'm excited that she's doing this with me.
I'm excited to do it with you too.
I needed some help. All right, so today I'm kind of combining a haul, a Dollar Tree haul. I went to the dollar store yesterday. There's my loot, my Dollar Tree loot. And I bought 20 things. And there are 20 things that someone might carry in their purse. It's my 20 favorite things from Dollar Tree that you could put in your handbag, basically. Isn't that a good idea? And so the way the giveaway comes in, because I've reached 400 subscribers, guys, and every 100 subscribers, I give away a Coach bag. I do get the Coach bags from thredup.com. It's a secondhand store, but there are authentic Coach bags. They are completely 100% authentic. These are not Coach, what is it, the Coach Factory, Coach's off-brand or whatever.
Oh yeah, like the...
No, they're actual Coach bags. And when I pick one out, I always put new or like new. And so I end up with a really awesome purse. And so far, I've given 3 away. And with those other 3, I had a wristlet. I'm not doing that this time. This time, I am putting my favorite things to put into a handbag into the Coach bag. So let me show you the bag. Now, I actually used this for a few weeks back, I don't know,
long time ago.
Fall maybe. And I did a video on this, which I'm going to link below. I love this bag. And I'm going to go ahead and link it below. It was a what's in my handbag video, so I'm going to link it to this video.
Right here we have the Coach imprint in the purse. It's like
it's right there.
Yeah.
And then all the little gold buckles have the word Coach in it. It's got 2 pockets, one here and one here, and then the big opening there. There's some pockets in here. There's a place for a cell phone. The whole 9 yards, guys. This is a super, super nice purse. See how it's got pockets? Oh, this is a big bag. This is easier to do with the littler bags. But this is a pretty nice size bag, as you can see. Compare it to like our heads. This is how big. You see? You can't see it. So if we put our heads together, then they're covered up. That's how big it is. I don't know. I'm trying to show you like how big this bag actually is. See? Okay, guys. So to win the Coach bag with all the Dollar Tree items in it, all that you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. You have to like this video, and in my comments below, throughout the video, I'm going to say 3 key words, and you only comment once. Don't do it 3 times. I ain't got time to go through all that. Well, I don't. That would be a lot. Wait till the end and put them all together. So there's 3 key words. So the first word is giveaway. So that's going to be the first word. You have to have all 3 words to be entered into the drawing. The drawing will be next Wednesday, August the 5th. So you have a week to enter the drawing of the Coach purse, Dollar Tree items in the purse. Oh, one very important rule, you guys. To participate in my giveaway, you have to have a United States address. And that is just simply because it's too expensive to ship all this stuff to another country. And then on top of it, because it is a Coach bag and has value, I usually insure these things for like $200 or something. Like I insure them. And so you have to have a U.S. Address because of those reasons. Having said that, I appreciate all of my friends all over the world, and I do giveaways that are like the virtual gift cards ever so often so that you guys can get involved in some of my giveaways as well. I'm going to go ahead and get started with my haul for the day from Dollar Tree. All right, Elizabeth, are you excited?
Oh, I am so very excited.
So you might want to like set this stuff in front of the purse because some of them kind of go together. All right. So the first item that you can get at Dollar Tree to go in your handbag, I got some for my handbag while I was there, are moist wipes for your hands and face. This has vitamin E and aloe. So there was a ton of these at our Dollar Tree, and they had different varieties, but this is the variety that I picked. So that's really important to have in your handbag, especially with COVID.
Yes.
Here you go. Yes. I picked up some individual, and you can probably take them out of here. We're going to probably take them out of the big boxes because we're trying to set the purse up for you. They're individually wrapped. Like there's 2 in each little pack. And so I got a Tylenol one. I always keep these in my handbag. And the Advil. I always keep Advil or some form of ibuprofen in my handbag as well. I got a lint roller because ladies, you know we need these.
Yes.
Especially when we have long-haired daughters.
And long-haired cats.
And dogs and cats and whatever.
And long-haired mothers.
You know, kind of long hair.
Don't want no little blonde pieces of hair stuck on your black clothes.
Okay, I got some of these really cool. I've not tried them yet, but I got one for myself as well. I was shopping for my handbag too. This LA Colors nail polish remover. They're like a wipe nail polish remover. Look. I picked that up because that can go in your handbag. That's handy, right?
And it's strawberry scented too.
It is. This was a cool find. So I got this little pink flat, like, flashlight, you guys. This is not even, see, it's like paper. Like, it's like cardboard. It's like a little tiny, you can slide it in somewhere in your purse, and you've got a little flashlight. I don't know how long, it'll last, but in an emergency, if you had this in your purse, how awesome was this cool thing they had at the Dollar Tree? Every lady needs some Kleenexes in their purse, so Puffs Plus, guys. I got a little pair. Now, these are cheap, they're from the Dollar Tree, but
if it works, it works.
It works, it works. Here's a little cute pair of white sunglasses. Actually, my son was with me, and he insisted that we needed to get some sunglasses for this purse. He was heck bent on it. I'm not even kidding. Like, I said no at first, and he kept on, but they need sunglasses. So, ladies, you get a pair of cheap sunglasses. Woohoo! Hold on, oh, those look nice on you, actually. Look at these Dollar Tree sunglasses on Elizabeth.
Too bad you can't put sunglasses at night on here, else you'll get demonetized.
Oh, I know. That would be a good song. Look at that. Those are pretty cute for Dollar Tree, guys.
I'm too cool for school.
Too cool for school.
Yes.
I went ahead and picked up some coconut oil lip balm. Palmer's, of course.
This stuff's nice.
Yeah.
I like using it as lotion,
guys, just so you know, you might take it out of the packaging because I got like little, I might as well show this. I got little bags to put stuff in so you could store your things like I do. And if you watch my What's in My Handbag video, you'll see that I do that. So that is that. So I'll go ahead and hand this to you. This is a cute little bag. There's 2 different compartments. And then, of course, you have to have hair ties in your purse. Not just for yourself, but how many times have you been with your daughter or a friend or someone and they're like, gosh, I wish I could pull my hair back.
Yes.
I hooked you guys up. Of course, we have to have nail file in our handbag. So I went ahead and grabbed this. And if you'll notice, a lot of this stuff, I went with like pinks. So they all kind of match. See, because you need your little flashlight to be pink. And you need this to be pink. And I have another pink thing. This is to hold your pencils and pens and stuff. Everything's pink themed. That's just how I am. Alright, so having said that, I got a little pink, cute pencil case because this would totally fit in there. And then I got some gel pens. I got a pack of like the pastel colors. And then I got a pack of like some earthy tones. A Sharpie, because I like having a Sharpie in my purse. Because how many times have you been somewhere and you've been like, I wish I had a black Sharpie. I mean, I know it doesn't happen all the time, but there are times. So these, will all go in here and you're good to go. I went ahead and picked up this cute little calendar planner for your purse. Just because it's nice to have something like this on hand. I know I do the Big Erin Condren planner, but I like to have something little in my purse. So I went ahead and picked up some Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion for the handbag because everybody has to have some lotion in their handbag, and I love Palmer's products. I like their cocoa butter. We always have cocoa butter on hand, don't we, Elizabeth?
Yes.
Then I have a little notepad, and what I liked about this one, I always like to have a notepad in my purse, but sometimes it can get crinkled up like in your purse because stuff gets jammed in there. This is a hard cover. It's got the hard spiral side here, and then this cool thing keeps it shut. So like if you are toting it around in your purse or whatever, it won't come apart, guys, and get all icky and the pages get all smashed and whatever. I thought that was really cool, and it matches my pink theme. So you got some notepad to carry around in your purse because I always carry a notepad around in my purse. Okay, guys, and so before I show the last item, which I should have done this a few items ago, but I lost track and I'm not backtracking. The second word is handbag. So my last item is a little toothpaste and a little mini toothbrush because it's good to have this on hand.
No garlic breath. No
yeah, and plus, how many times have you gone on a trip and like you're like, yeah, I forgot my toothbrush. No, you didn't. It's in your handbag. Hey guys, so I got all 20 things in the handbag. There's some stuff in the side pockets and the zipper pocket. I'm gonna go ahead and zip up the zipper pocket. Everything fit just fine. And I'm zipping up the purse, and so you have a loaded handbag coming your way if you are the winner. So having said that, our first word was said, our second word was said, and our third word is midlife. I'm making this up as I go, you guys. So I have said the 3 words in this video. Okay, guys, so to win this loaded handbag, let's see if Elizabeth remembers the rules very quickly. What are they, Elizabeth?
You have to be in the United States. You have to know the magic words and
the keywords.
And you have to be subscribed to her channel.
Yep.
And like the video.
And give this video a thumbs up. In 1 week, I'll do a drawing and I'll announce who won. And so that's a week from today, which is Wednesday. So a week from Wednesday, I believe it was August. Do we remember? August 5th. So a week from Wednesday is August 5th, guys. So make sure you have all of your entries in by then. Real quick, guys, the deadline to enter is August 4th, 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, guys, good luck to all of you. I can't wait to draw a winner. Thank you so much for supporting my little channel. I started last November, and I cannot believe I'm already at 400 subscribers. It's like beyond what I thought would happen. Yeah, so I appreciate all of you, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.